Why do some CNC machined metal parts need heat treatment? The main reason is that heat treatment changes the tiny structure inside the metal. By heating and cooling in a controlled way, we can adjust hardness, strength, and flexibility so the part resists pressure and wear and lasts much longer. 5 types of heat treatment methods. 1. Annealing. Heat the metal to a set temperature and cool it slowly. This increases flexibility, makes later machining and shaping easier, also removes internal stress. 2. Quenching. Heat the metal and then cool it very quickly. This creates a hard structure called martensite, but the metal becomes brittle, so quenching is rarely the final step. 3. Tempering. After quenching, reheat to a lower temperature and cool in control. Most of the hardness stays, but brittleness drops, giving a good balance of hardness and toughness for better fracture resistance. 4. Surface hardening. Heat the surface to the austenite range and quench fast, creating a hard shell with a soft core on the outer layer of components. Or add carbon/nitrogen first and then quench, leading to hard surface and tough core. 5. Normalizing. Heat to a set temperature and let the metal cool in still air. This refines the grain, makes the structure uniform, releases stress, and improves overall strength and toughness. How does heat treatment work? 1. Preheating. Raise the temperature slowly so the whole part heats evenly and avoids thermal shock. 2. Heating. Continue to the target temperature needed for the desired change, chosen according to the material and required properties. 3. Holding. Soaking. Keep the metal at that temperature long enough for the internal structure to change uniformly throughout the part. For controlled cooling, choose the right cooling method: air, water, oil, or polymer based on the properties we want. 5. Post-treatment. After cooling, clean, inspect, and machine finish the part to ensure it meets all specifications. Key factors that influence the result. The effects of heat treatment are not constant. Several key factors directly influence the final result. Material composition. Different metals respond differently. This sets the base for choosing temperatures and times. Heating and cooling rates. Fast cooling increases hardness, slow cooling increases ductility. The rate must be controlled. Temperature accuracy. Precise temperature control is essential for consistent results batch after batch. Holding time. Long enough for full transformation but not too long to avoid grain growth or distortion. Quenching medium. Water, oil, polymers, or molten salts cool at different cooling rates and characteristics. The right one must be selected for the target properties. Typical applications. Hardware tools. Drills, cutting blades, wrenches gain higher hardness and wear resistance, staying sharp and intact longer. Machinery. Spindles, bearings, springs obtain better toughness and dimensional stability, keeping equipment accurate and reducing failures. Aerospace. Aircraft landing gear, turbine blades, and other critical parts withstand extreme temperatures and pressures thanks to special heat treatment processes, meeting strict safety standards. In short, heat treatment is vital in manufacturing, especially for parts that must endure high stress and long service life. If you need CNC machining plus heat treatment in one stop, Zintilon offers a full solution to meet all kinds of production needs.